Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring development to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Vote for Diri as governor of Bayelsa State. Vote PDP. Senator Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Communities in Brass local government area of Bayelsa State have thrown their full weight behind the re-election bid of Senator Diri and his deputy, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo. The communities vowed to vote massively for the governor and his deputy in the November 11, 2023 governorship election recently, when they kicked off their campaign at Brass, where some projects initiated and executed by the prosperity government of Senator Diri were commissioned.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri, while inaugurating his campaign council ahead of the November 11, 2023 governorship election, had hinted that his campaigns would be hinged on issues of governance. The governor had kept to his words when recently he went to Brass local government area to kick off his re-election campaign. At Tour Brass, Governor Diri, who was touched by the impressive turnout of his supporters, said there was no need to campaign but to thank them for their massive support. The governor assured the people of Brass that the ongoing construction of Nembe Brass Road, courtesy of his prosperity government, would open up coastal communities for rapid development.
We are here to develop our people. We know that the economic benefit of this road is something that is not just to Tuon Brass. It will be to the whole of Bayelsa State. But it will impact more of the island of Tuon Brass. While we are working on Yenegua, we are also not forgetting our rural communities. Our wealth is in the Atlantic Ocean. The blue economy that we see in other places, it will come to us through the road that we are bringing here.
The governor and his campaign train, including Deputy Governor Lawrence Erujakpo, also went to Sangana, where several projects initiated and completed by the prosperity government were commissioned. Among the projects commissioned were a jetty, community market, a school building, and bridge. At Okpoma, the governor commissioned a 700-meter road constructed by his government and laid the foundation for the construction of a market to provide economic empowerment for women. Governor Diri advised the people of Okpoma Kingdom to vote wisely in the forthcoming election.
We will be your servants, we will not be your masters. Don't vote for those who want to be your masters. Government is brought in place by the people, and when government is brought in place by you, we are to serve you.
At the campaign rally, a handful of members of opposition political parties, mainly the All Progressives Congress, decamped to the People's Democratic Party.
Come November 11, 2023, 100% for Diri and Lawrence Erujakpo.
It was an outpouring of goodwill for Governor Diri during his recent campaign rally in Brass, where highly revered traditional rulers showered him with gifts, decorated him, and prayed for his victory at the forthcoming election.
On behalf of Sangana Kingdom, I am to present this and put it on your shoulder as a mark of honor that we, the great people of Sangana, will put it on your shoulder for victory and for victory and for victory.
For Governor Diri, the overwhelming support he enjoys in Brass local government area and the rest of Bayelsa State should serve to remind his opponents that he will win the November 11, 2023 governorship election by a walkover.
inside the Niger Delta. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Vote for Diri as Governor of Bayelsa State. Vote PDP. Senator Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.